Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on? Sorry. Pretty quick start. Let's go. Pretty interesting open to the day. Look at the markets. We're getting the same chop every single day. It looks like. It's honestly, I mean, this is one of the worst times to actively be day trading. This is honestly maybe the worst time that I have ever seen. Because you're not getting a clear direction. I mean, this is pure chop. We've literally just sat in this. I mean, high possibility to come tanking down. I'm probably going to be exiting most of my. The calls I have are long dated, not AMC, by the way, not AMC, but anything else besides AMC. It's insane. It's insane what's going on. Absolutely absurd to even talk about. But AMC, on the bright side, AMC is kind of finding a bottom. What's going on, guys? What's going on? We have to be optimistic that we hold this range, and like I said in the video last night, if we can hold above 11 today, I feel pretty good. GameStop getting kind of a bounce. I mean, BFT. I'm waiting. See, BFT's getting that move now. There we go. Atta boy. Atta boy. It could come crashing down after market, so don't be too happy. HOFV. Yeah, they're killing it this morning. These NFT plays, man, insane. Insanity, absolute madness. Funko popping too. This is good. This is good. Let me post this link in the Discord so people have it. I feel like people want it in the Discord. I know some people think it's spam. Some people I don't know. I have no idea. I try to not spam in the Discord as much as possible. That's why I rarely post stuff in the Discord. But I feel like you're always gonna have people that complain. Also, I mean, I guess it is my Discord, so I can do whatever I want. But I try to have like a really good environment in the Discord, Let's go to Discord. Someone's not gonna be happy about that. So let me go over the questions. Sorry, I'm here. Top of the AM at $10 Jesus. We're above 10. We're at 1080 right now. Unless it comes crashing down. I mean, totally could. Theoretically, I see 9.4 being that absolute bottom. You're seeing GME hold up somewhat at 1060. Oh no, it's not coming back down. We're gonna have to see how it opens up the market. You know what I mean? I'm not going to make any haste or irrational statements, but this could theoretically get very, very ugly. And then Nasdaq does not look strong to me either. This doesn't look strong. Basically triple topping at this level. Not even at the 3.3 range. Not even at the 13.3 range. We're not even getting up that high. You got yields bouncing as well. So yields bouncing theoretically should make the Dixie, the dollar, stronger. And it's not getting that double top either, which was the only hope that we kind of had. This is breaking back up. I mean, no sense here. I mean, besides the Japanese bond rates, which kind of discussed, and I think a member actually sent me an article on them as well last night. I read that as I was going to sleep. This is going to be a hard area to break through, though. I mean, if it breaks through, the dollar is bullish, but you can see the Nasdaq trying to turn bullish. It's desperately trying. Puts or not? What are you talking about? So what do you think about AMC and Jamie? Are we going to moon to this or next week? Can't tell that serious. No, it's about HOFV. HOFV is flying. Yeah, it's flying. It's insane. Be careful. HTLNC is releasing their hydrogen and water. They're back to Tom. They are back up by. Oh, they're backed by Tom Brady. Said they're back up. What are they? LTNC. Interesting. Strong sponsor with Tom. They're super cheap. Could be a good play. Honestly, really could be a good play. I'd have to look more into them. Strong chart. 3 cents roughly. I mean, so you're just holding these bad boys for a while. Just whatever happens. You're just kind of riding it. Now, how high do you see a water company going? That's the real question. But this looks like it's going to break out. It is flagging. That does look strong. I will say that does look strong. It does. That does look juicy. GME done. I don't think it's done. I think we're definitely in correction mode. Definitely. The question is how far do we sell off today? I woke up this morning, I was like, wow. I mean, like 1090, like AMC, I expected it to be a bloody day. Pretty bad. Now if GME goes crashing down, AMC is most likely gonna follow. We have to have that realization in our heads. Don't be the person that's like, AMC is its own person, okay? It's its own stock. It does its own. No, it kind of doesn't. The last few days are different. Thank you, my guy. Where's the Diet Coke? I'm trying to get you a sponsorship. Man, I'm drinking coffee this morning, but coffee doesn't really work anymore. I'm super self-conscious when I drink here because I don't like y'all hear me gulp, man. I feel bad. It's not an ASMR session. Y'all don't pay me enough for an ASMR session, okay? But once that new mic comes in, I want to see the bad boy we were about to order. I have to order a few parts though. So that's the part. Is it the MV7? No, that's the baby one. We don't want that one. I'm ordering this bad boy. It's the best microphone I could find. Yeah. No, not this baby one, the big one. It's about 400. So I'm gonna order the mic, and then I need to get I'm either gonna get a mixer. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I feel like the sound deck would be cool for the channel. Nespresso it is. I need to get an Nespresso too, but that's kind of like the cheap alternative to get, or the lazy alternative for me. Get an actual espresso maker, which I feel like I would really love an espresso maker. TTI, it's hurting, man. It's hurting. 260. If it breaks below 260, I'll have to exit my positions. Well, they're still kind of in the money. So yeah, your mic sounds great. Yeah, it just picks up a lot of background noise. It does. The audio quality is good. It's just a USB mic that's the problem. I ordered it I want to say a year and a half ago. It's been a while. I've had it for a while. Anyways, it's not an XLR. That's the only part. Bang or Red Bulls or Nespresso. Anyone got a good scalp play? What's the move? Honestly, looking at the market right now, nothing looks too hot. You know, just the fact that I think Nasdaq's gonna come down. Most likely, I enter some Q puts. Maybe it's a high possibility. Let's look. Maybe target like 315. That's a good little scalp, to be honest. Targeting this 315 range coming down. What is IWM, man? How much further can this bad boy? Oh, look, it's up pre-market. Whoa. That doesn't make any sense. But yields are up. Yields are flying today, and DXY. So this is indicative that the market probably has a not so good day. And it's Wednesday, and Wednesday is typically not the best day for the market. So all these things adding up, you go bad. There we go. Now we're opening. GME dropping. Look at GME. Oh my God. Right through the support. Yikes. The question is what does I think AMC comes down. I think it does the same thing as it did the day before. We'll see. Maybe turn the dB level and volume down, put the mic closer to your face. That's the thing when you're using a USB mic. Typically, those settings aren't as adjustable when you don't have XLR. So that's going to be the reason for me. And I'm the type of person, if I'm going to buy some tech or something for like my work and stuff, I'm going to buy the best that I can find so I don't have to replace it for a while. Like when I got my computer, I bought like 5-6 years ago. No, 5 years ago. So now I'm going to replace it. Well, I don't know. I might keep it. I don't know. I might keep it. Just like to have it. I don't know. Who knows what I'll do. GME, all types of GME, this is kind of the best opening you could hope for. AMC. Oh my God. AMC getting crushed. Seeing lots of sales going on. This is wild. Let's see. I want to see today. Spy puts, spy calls. Those are. Let's look. Apple puts across the board. Let's look. Yeah, I'm telling you, GME is probably gonna come. I think GME comes down. Look at that at a retest. Trash. Dog water. Looks terrible. How old are you? 23. Your SOS options are gonna pay off. Be careful though on those. Be careful. I don't think the market looks so high. If the market goes down, SOS probably follows Bitcoin into the ground. It's just a theory, but do whatever you want. What am I gonna look at? I'm probably gonna trade some Q puts, to be honest. Yeah, get that bump up today. Yeah, why am I not? I'm telling you, look how, you see how strong this is right now. IWM, they're all so high right now. They all gapped up. There's not a resistance. That's the only part that I dislike, is that they're not at these resistances. If they were a little bit higher, I'd feel more confident, but right now I'm kind of just, it's almost a level of FOMO, I guess you could say. It doesn't make too, logically, the movement that we got is just so chop. And that's what, oh, look at AMC, $11, golf clap. Hey, we're back in the money on our options, by the way, guys. We're back in the money, boys. We're back in the money. Hey, golf clap, boys, golf clap, golf clap. But yeah, I'm 23, finance major at UHU, so I'm wrapping it up right now. We're close to being done. And then we get to go full time into YouTube. I get to wrap up ever using my college degree for an actual job that's not YouTube. Funny how that works. Wow, what is going on? All right, let's see. Could this be the day? Let's go. Let me read some chat. We need a top shot drop. Dude, I've missed all my top shot drops the past few days. Put that 4 honey into AMC. Good morning, boss. Red Bulls or Bangs? I like Bangs better than, I like Red Bulls better than Bangs, and I think I like coffee. I don't know. Coffee's like a, because I used to really like when I wasn't in good shape like when I was in high school, like beginning of high school, and then like I was in pretty good shape by my senior year, and so I was in really good shape. And then, but I would never really eat sweets until I got to like a really good point, and so I would, to kill cravings ever, I would just drink coffee. So I really started like to love coffee, like a lot. It's like one of the only things that I ate a lot when I was like eating healthy that I stuck with, and I still like eggs. I hate eggs now because I ate so many eggs, but like I love coffee. So like Nespresso and stuff is really good. Was the fourth quarter numbers me positive? We can look at them. They missed. They did miss, but some good, interesting points. Okay, so this is their earnings. So you can go to Earnings Whispers, type it in, and then you just click what I clicked right there. You go to Earnings Whispers, any ticker. You click latest EPS, the end, and it shows you their projections or whatever their last quarter was, right? So on the earnings report, they were projected, the consensus earnings estimate, this is what the estimate is, right, was 1.46 EPS and then 2.2 bill. And then Earning Whispers tells you what they project, and they have a pretty good, they can usually give a pretty good projection. Anyway, so these were the actual numbers. They missed on revenue by 0.1 bill, and then they missed on EPS by about 12 cents, which is that's a big miss. So they missed pretty bad. I don't know how they screwed this up, but they screwed up their estimates. But the positive was that the shift into e-commerce is working. That was the only positive, is that their e-commerce sales are up like 190%. Their CEOs resigned, like it was kind of like a force them out the door type situation, and then they have a new CEO, but it isn't Ryan Cohen, so that's the bad news. So there was no super bullish news. There was no like terrible news. They did miss though, and this is the only earnings they're probably gonna beat for a while. So that part is not good. Hope that makes sense. It was not good though, to say the least. MP, where's MP? I need to make an MP video today, like ASAP. I have got to make one today. I'm telling you, this is like, guys. Oh my gosh, I have to make one today, like ASAP. I have to make it so like, okay. So expect an MP video from the channel. I'm gonna get one made today. Probably my favorite. One of my favorites. I mean, this is such a this is insane. You're welcome. You're welcome in advance. Pal talking today. Hopefully he sends us to the moon. I don't think he's totally priced into the market at this point. He's not saying anything new. It's the same shit every day. AMC, wow. Dude, hey. Hey, no complaints. I needed a little bit of a miracle for my positions. What else are you looking at? What else are you looking at? What else are you looking at? I mean, honestly, I think the only way we play is Qs and IWM puts. And I think that's the only thing we can't play today. But we're just not at a resistance or a support, you know what I mean? SPY's holding up strong. Q's probably end up bouncing back. I can't believe SPY's holding up. I mean, like, if you use something every day, like a coffee maker, an espresso, whatever it is, like, I see the value in it. You know what I mean? But that's just me personally. If it's something that I use every single day, like, people like, why are you buying a $400 mic? I use it every day. It's for work. You know what I mean? It's a logical. I have to write it off in taxes as well. But you know what I mean? Like, probably write off an espresso maker too. To be honest, I mean, I use it for work. Theoretically, it's a performance booster. Yeah, I'm gonna make a MP video pretty soon. It's a long-term pick'em though. It's a long-term pick'em. I'm telling you, BFT, dude, this thing is gonna rip. I'm just waiting for it. Is that why you threw down? That was a good one. I'm telling you, this looks bad. I'm telling you, those SOS positions, you better be careful. You better be real careful if you're still in those. Man, last night I almost took Zion for 28 points. And whew, thank God I didn't. He scored 27. He needed to score 28. Funko. I've been talking about Funko a lot here on the channel. I didn't get to make a video. I'll probably make one. But now it's gonna look like a hype video, which I hate. But it is what it is. I didn't make the video in time, right? I like them a lot. They're gonna be implementing NFTs as an addition or an additional purchase with their pops, which it's gonna be huge. It's gonna be huge. And everyone, you've seen the Funko Pops. You've all seen them. They're basically the new and improved bobblehead, right? They're huge, right? So they're basically at a back end NFC to them. So super cool concept, smart by them, super smart on their end. That's gonna really bump them up. Since it's coffee talk time, Nespresso uses dumb pause the touch screen Breville machine to make a proper espresso. Send me some links in the Discord of some espresso makers. I do want to buy one bad. I still like VRM. I still really like them. ChargePoint, a lot of people have been messaging me about them. I like ChargePoint. We're in a bad market right now. You know what I mean? We're in a market that isn't prospering on tech. You know what I mean? Like this is the story of what's going on. You know, so you gotta just relax, be chill here. I cannot believe GameStop. Or this is like, I totally can. I mean, 133 guys. That's where I'm seeing this bouncing. 133, 131 range. AMC. If this can hold at 1090, that's huge. But if it holds like this is totally bearish, just so you know. I call my Funkos physical stock. Anyone wants DLP, and they had to deal with HOFV, I think, so that's why they're moving. I'm pretty positive. IWM continuing to run. So one thing that I like here is that we have SPY. I mean, SPY and IWM are performing decent right now. They're doing well. Only thing lagging behind is Tech. Tech is taking a loss. Tech does not look like it wants to bounce. I mean, it could bounce here, but it does not look good. We got the yields bouncing. I mean, everything that could be going bad for stocks are going bad. If IDVM was a little bit like 223, I'd have puts on it, but I can't. I'm not gonna do it. I'm chasing if I get in here at this level. Chewy dumping. Yeah, everything's getting hit hard. It's the whole tech sector. I'm Colombian. I'll endorse an espresso over two. Now I'm gonna get all these coffee makers. I mean, I'll use them, 100%. The next thing though is we're gonna start breaking out the white. Everyone wants me to break out White Claws to be the ultimate douchebag on my night streams, and just I guess chug them every time we hit a certain plateau on the stream. I don't know how that works. I guess though, that makes you guys happy. That's a big dip probably coming. That looks bad. That looks really bad. Sundial. I mean, the market just doesn't look good. If you guys have any stocks, you want me to look at, test a little gap close. That's not bad. Yeah, okay, but when Fox News says, I mean, I think they're talking about in general these hype. They're categorizing all these hype stuff into that. I mean, guys, I'm gonna keep saying it. Stop looking for reasons to be bullish, and just watch the stock and get. You know, we gotta use rational thinking with some of this stuff. Irrational thinking is how people lose money. So yeah, what I expect on GME, a push down to 130. Maybe it's a flash. I don't know how how big of a dump it is or quick. I would want it to be quicker than slower. The slower we go, the worse. The more painful, right? I would want a really quick dump and then a bounce back up. That's what I want. AMC, it's better for AMC if we just push straight down on GME and get it over with. Guys, I'm not going to tell you what to do with your call options. That's not what I'm going to ever do. Okay? Like I said, though, when you're putting your money into these options, I'm just being transparent with what I'm doing. Any money I'm putting into AMC, I'm totally willing to lose. It's basically gambling, you know what I mean? I just substituted my sports gambling for gambling on AMC. 23, I'm 23 Anthony. If you chug a White Claw on live, I'm unsubscribing until Kyle's here. Morning DC, yeah, I saw that. Look at Jordan and Belfort tweet 15 minutes ago. What do you say? Well, it didn't really matter. We got a little pump and then we dumped. Guys, if you get me demonetized from Jordan Belfort's Twitter again, I swear this dude has nudes, which I'm all for a good nude. You know what I mean? All for it. That all my choice? Oh, AMC. That's kind of funny. That was actually a good movie. I'm telling you, just on a price, I mean, this doesn't look good. Like, let's break it down. Let's break it down. Really weird. Opening price section, a little pump, then drop. Theoretically, it just looks like a flag. Looks like we're flagging to come back down. So if we get above and maintain above 11, I'm confident. Feel good. You know, the juices will start flowing. Until then, I'm not feeling good. Can we talk about therapeutics? Richard, I'm going to come to your work and I'm going to slash all your tires. Okay? I'm going to slash them all. BFT, 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 BFT. You'll take a look at snow. It looks like it's ready to come up. I can look, but I can tell you how. I don't mind telling you guys how I trade and stuff. Because, you know what I mean? Like, it's like, you can tell someone you're like what you do, unless it's like a pure indicator telling you to buy and sell. You know what I mean? Snow looks good, yeah, hands down. It does look good. It's good above support. But what I'm looking for when I'm trading anything, it's these indexes right here. That's why you see, you'll come into the channel, you'll see me scrolled all the way up, and I'm just eyeballing these indexes. All I'm doing, these are gonna tell you where you're going, and we do look decent. Nasdaq's trying to get back above support. I haven't even touch this line, so we get back above, we look good. But we have IWM looks strong, which is the Russell small cap stocks. We got SPY's holding up well. Nasdaq is the only one down, but we have the dollar. Dollar's tanking now. You're probably right. Yes, I think you just made me some money. All right, boys, get the hands moist. We're going hunting. We're going hunting, boys. Here we go. Here we go. What are we trading? 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 I think you're right. I think snow might be a great play. One sec. Oh, snap. Peloton's usually like, ooh. Ooh. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Batter up. Here we go. Okay. I'm probably 99.99999% sure I'm going to trade Peloton. That's a beautiful looking chart. If DXY continues down, I trade Peloton. Let's open another. I'll tell you what I'm waiting for here. Tell you what I'm waiting for so you can see my exact thoughts. So what I want from Peloton, I am not buying Peloton until it dumps here. To my support. Correctamundo. Correctamundo. It jumps down here. I'm a buyer. 2. We need to reclaim this line. So as long as we get back above this line here, and then Peloton queues up, I'll buy. Till then, we're waiting. Sit on the hands. What up, GM General Motors? Yeah, just summon me. Just want you clap for me too when I Tyler, GM. Let's look. We have time. We're not like in a rush or anything. Getting rejected looks like poo poo. Funko Pop. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I didn't make a video on this stupid stock. Oh my. I knew. I was talking about with a friend last night because we were talking about Funko and I was like, dude, did you buy any? He's like, nah, I didn't get any. I was like, I didn't make a video on them, bro. And it was funny because he was like, you knew they were gonna. I was like, I know. I knew they were gonna go up. Like the thought of it, NFT with their. That's like the perfect addition to their product. It's like the perfect addition. Oh my god. It opens them up so much larger. Like if they do this smart, they can also do this to like where they can have like kids game as well. And I don't know if that's their plan or that's how they want to target it, but they totally could. Like I'm going in on Julius. Dude, Julius Randle dropped 37 points last. My friend actually told me too. He's like, I'm putting Zeus plus 150. I'm putting my money on Julius Randle plus 30. I did not take that bet, but Julius Randle dropped 37 points. You guys want to take a sports bet really quick for 1,300 for tonight? You guys want to? I'll let you guys almost pick my sports bet. You guys want to pick it real quick? Hey, Tyler, I have a bunch of $13 AMC calls expiring on the first. Are these lost calls? I can't. You guys ask really difficult questions that I can't answer. You guys know that I can't answer most of these questions. But I'll tell you my positions. I have some first calls. I closed a few of them. I have most of them. They're almost worthless now for first and then $20 calls. Yeah, and then I have I bought some yesterday. Some $12 AMC calls for the first. So it's my opinion. All right, cool. We're probably gonna lose some viewers. It's okay. The market's coming down anyways, so there's no. I mean, we're not really missing anything right now. P-ton. So we want that dip. We want that dip right there. All right, let's go. Wait, no, my Bovada account is over here. Okay. Oh wait, you guys always try to log into my crap, and I'm not even joking. You guys always try to. Someone tried to hack my Cheddarflow account. Piece of trash. I don't know who does that. Go. Okay. Basketball. We're doing basketball. We're not doing Chinese basketball either. College basketball, I cannot wait for. So for tonight, we got some good games. These are all the games for tonight. I like the Rockets. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even a Rockets fan, and I live in Houston, but I like the Rockets. I like the Nets plus 10. That's pretty nice. I like the Suns. Wow. I don't know. You guys think about these basketball games, and you message. Oh, I'll come back. Oh, we're at our level, but look, we're getting an absolute plummeting pile drive of Nasdaq, so I am not comfortable. We're getting no bounce. We're getting no help, no support at all. Funko's making it animated. That's interesting. That's interesting. I'm telling you, Funko's a really cool concept. They have a huge audience that ranges from adults to children. I think adults are their primary customers, though. You know? But I'm a fan. Yeah, we're probably gonna drop through. We might bounce. I can't take that risk though. I can't take the risk right now. Just, I mean, looking at what's everything's getting just shredded right now. Look at the yield. Yields are doing well today, which logically makes sense for stocks to come down at that point. But there's not been too much logic lately. Look at the flow. Getting lots. I can hear it in the background. Lots of GME calls coming in too. They're pretty cheap. I'm liking MP calls a lot. MP, I mean, they're getting so the value's stupid. They're having, when is that direct offering? And I'm not a direct offering type of. If I like the stock, I buy it on the direct offering. I'll buy it on the dip, like every time. And this is gonna be similar to what Skills did, in my opinion. I'm surprised it didn't bounce yesterday. When does it go into effect? March 26th. Wow, yeah, that's nice. Wow, I really like it. Crap. Yeah, I really like these guys. Market is, you know, going down, so don't get me wrong, but $35 offering, we're at $34.70. I mean, this is insane. This dump, totally illogical. I feel so confident in these guys. Maybe 2 month out options, I don't know. They look good though. I'm probably gonna end up buying some today. We'll see. I'll probably end up buying some. I don't even think it matters if the market kind of drops. They'll still get valued correctly. Piton bouncing. There it goes. See, the market is bouncing now. One sec. Maybe this will be a quick scalp play. I don't feel good with this. Dollar's just too strong. The dollar's just, it's just too strong. I can't trade on it. GME calls. How low do you think NEO will go? It's hard. If the market keeps going down, it'll just keep dropping. I keep hearing all these gains for NEO, yet it falls every effing day. It's a long-term stock, guys. If you have stock, I wouldn't be concerned. If you're trading options, then obviously I'd be concerned. QQQ puts. I'm not touching QQQ yet. It didn't hit my resistance. It didn't hit this level, so I never got into it. Snap is juicy under 55. Be careful, this tech is getting hurt. FOFE, yep, they're up huge. Brother Houston to I'll pay for some private lessons on options to Brandon Day. Daddy chill. Daddy chill. Ah, crap. Sorry if you can hear me gulping. Sorry. Yeah, AMC, I'm telling you, AMC, high possibility this thing comes in 9.4. I see. Yeah, I think a 9.4 is definitely in the cards. I want to look for. Let's look for some puts. Let's look. You know, let's be bottom feeders today. Look at that. That was perfect. Oil's doing well. Wow. Little buck. So decent day. This looks good, but it's a trap. I know oil is a trap right now. There's no way. God, there's no way. There's literally no way. There's no way. If the dollar is going up like this is totally a trap, guys. Don't drink the Kool-Aid. There's no options coming in. I'm telling you, this is such a trap. Is that Playboy? I don't know what that is. There's no way. I'm not falling for it. Wow, look at the Nasdaq bounced. No, it didn't. Liar. Gosh, oil looks good. Oh my, it's so beat up. It is so beat up though. If it can get above the monthly level. One sec, guys. I'll look. Nasdaq is in a bull flag, or did it find support? It does not look good. And the logic behind not liking the Nasdaq. Let me explain it as quickly as possible, so you don't lose too many people. So, one, dollar value is going up. Dollar value going up usually means bearish stocks because of risk on. Okay, one. Yields are also going up, which justifies the dollar going up. Yields also going up here. So that isn't good, but we're finding support somewhat at these levels. I could see us keep dropping now. I could really see us dropping still. I'm considering IWM puts as a theoretical hedge. We could easily fill this gap and start heading back down. I mean, we never really touched that area I wanted to see down here at 215. I like IWM puts right now, to be honest. IWM has been performing fairly decent. We do have Powell talking a little bit, so that could hurt. But Powell's been talking nonstop. Yeah, you know. The UVXY volatility index. Oh my god, like it's been getting wrecked. If you watch it at all, that is insane. Just insane that I've never seen the volatility index this low, ever. 6.37. That's insane. That's like new lows right there. This doesn't look. Oh man, it looks that. This is like a trap for me though. This is like everything I would want in a chart. But if I didn't know better and I was just looking at TA and looking at the stock value of Exxon, I would buy. But I know better because I'm watching the dollar value. And oil does not go up if the dollar goes up. That is one of the things we know to be true. The value should not go up. One sec. Let's look at, what are we looking at? Oh, IWM. I think IWM could come down to, like, man, I want it to come down to this range. Lowest possible. Man. Yeah. It's what I want. Go to options. One sec, guys. I'm still here. I'm looking at the price use options. Dude, Nasdaq just keeps dumping. Holy crap. What is SPY at? I can't believe SPY isn't dumping. That's the crazy part. That's the part that's like, man, maybe I don't touch it, Because Russell and stuff, those have a little, I mean, the numbers and job numbers keep coming back worse and worse, but they're kind of expensive. $300 a pop. Q's hit support down here. SPY going up. Yeah, SPY's holding fine. Trying to. It is, lower from where it opened the day up, obviously. And that's pretty bearish, how it traded right here. So that's it. This purple line represents the daily open. We pushed up, came back down below it, tested once, twice, getting rejected now. So we'll close back above it. That's good. Like on a 5-minute chart, that'd be strong. But for right now, that does not look good. GME 150, thank God. Yeah, you're gonna need that to hold. Definitely. You're gonna need volume to start kicking in there too. 100%. What do you think about IVR? What is IVR? That'd be crazy. AMC stock. I think AMC's bottom is 9.4 for right now. If we hit that, I think it's possible to hit it too. Piton is not holding up well. Piton wants to though. It doesn't look bad. If Piton can start pushing up a little bit, but it needs the Nasdaq. It won't move without the Nasdaq. Just up CCIV, it was up. Now someone pulled the plug. I thought CCIV was bearish. I've been bearish on CCIV. I'm a buyer though once it hits under 20. Oh, it's getting close. It's getting close. It's almost dumped my money in time. Did you see Trey's video about Friday the 5 for 14 with the 1 penny put options or whatever? It feels like there's a fall from that manipulation. Did the algorithm kill the gamma squeeze? Look, guys, I think there's manipulation in the stock market. I believe there's a lot of manipulation, especially when it comes to AMC. You hear me mention it in almost all my videos. But when we start blaming manipulation for every single problem, right? Every single dump, maybe there's a time. Either you shouldn't trade if you really feel that way, that every single thing is manipulation. Maybe you should just have stock and you shouldn't trade options. You should just not worry about it at all and just wait a year. Or if you really believe in it, so you don't have to worry about the manipulation, right? Or you just like, just trade the trend. I mean, looking at AMC's chart, I see the reason for us to go down. It makes sense how we came down. Did I expect this to come down? No. But looking at it, am I saying, okay, this has to be manipulation how we're moving down? Just looking at the chart, no. Now, do I agree with the 1 penny and the short ladders? Yeah, I agree with it, but we already knew. You know what I mean? That's the part that's like, it's like I use the analogy, like if a stove is hot, right? The burners are all on. Are you shocked if you go and touch it and get, burned? Are you really shocked? Or I don't believe it was normal behavior, but nothing about AMC and GameStop have been normal though. Can we all agree on that? I mean, does everyone think GameStop's real value right now is, $154 even? Is it even worth $40 right now a share? Is AMC worth $10? Some people will actually say AMC is worth $10 a share. I kind of don't agree with that statement, but nonetheless, it's still whatever your opinions are. But I think that I forgot. I lost my original train of thought because I read. Leo Lynn, this dude is propaganda numero uno. It's a Christmas song coming up. Oh, it's not. Yeah, it is. I knew. I have this stuff on. I know my playlist by heart. The buying pressure hype and stimmies have given this every opportunity to squeeze. If not now, then I don't see it happening anytime soon. It just depends on the order flow. That seems been normal. That's a fair point. But do you think the slow gamma squeeze is over since we missed 14? Look at Peloton doing well. Damn it. Dang it. I'm a nub. So, good question. Do I think the squeeze is over? Because I don't believe so. You know what I mean? Like, this is just like people are panicking because we're dipping. Like, you know what I mean? Like, look at if we so let's say over the next few days let's say going into Friday we dip all the way down to $5. I'd be pretty like, okay, this is done, right? But people are panicking because we're getting a retrace. You know what I mean? Like, that part of it just is like, it shows the people that no offense to anyone here, like, it just shows people's education level on the market right now. You know what I mean? And that they don't trade, and that people are just like, we're seeing we're seeing the apes or the diamond hand sell off during this push down. That's clear. We are seeing that. But this is just a retracement. Like, we have a 5-wave structure up. We have, you know, a double top. We were wedging on this. This looked bearish. We got to break down. Now, it's about, do we find a bottom before 9.4 or hold? If we hold 11, that's really bullish. But it's like, you know, everyone wants this really quick jump, you know? And I don't think we're going to get the really quick jump. I've been saying that. Nothing about this has been quick. This was, you know, basically a 4-week, whole month, 5-week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks of just upside. And now we're getting a bearish week and everyone's panicking, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't make any sense. You know, it doesn't make sense. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you have stock and you're asking these questions, like I said last night, maybe you're in the wrong stock. Maybe you shouldn't be trading stocks. Now, if you have options, I totally understand, because, you know, you have to constantly be considering the problems with options. BFT climbing. Let it climb. Climb, baby. Oh. 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 So, I'm not being like negative or anything like that. I'm just telling you, like, I keep saying the same thing. I'm going to keep saying that. I mean, it's just the same statements over and over. But, you know, on our first leg, we didn't get the 17 push, you know? We got the 14 push, which was still good. We got that 14.5 push, which we wanted. We didn't get the $17 push. Now, how we move in this price action really depends on, you know, how we move forward. But a bullish market would help us, and the market is not bullish. Morning, Plum. What's going on, Plum? I'm happy. I mean, that's honestly the direction I want the channel to go back to, you know what I mean? And you'll notice when you're in the live streams and stuff, I'm typically not only talking about AMC. Maybe at night. But I'm usually going over the stocks I'm trading. But like right now, there's nothing we can really do. I have BFT calls. I'm in the money on those now again, which is nice. I have TTI calls too, which are definitely a riskier position that I got into. ZOM looks good. This is crazy. We might see a dollar. We might see a dollar just dump here soon. I don't think so though. It looks too strong. Yields are up. I mean, this looks crazy. I don't see the case that where oil goes up. I don't see that case happening right now with the way the dollar's performing. Yeah. It's performing so well. Look at yields, holy crap. It's insane. I want some oil though. It looks like it bottomed. It looks really good. That looks phenomenal. What's XLE doing? If XLE can break, I'll buy. If XLE breaks this, I'm buying. I'll buy some. What's Fang? Fang was getting crazy orders last week. Yeah. Yep. $5 mooted, that's insane. These look strong. Oil looks really good. Oil looks really good. Finally flowing my money back into oil. Question is, how long do I go out? We'll get a retrace. We'll get a little bit of a retrace. That's what I'll wait for. Probably a retouch of this 56.6 range. JD is killing you. I mean, you got to be paying attention to the market though, you know what I mean? Like, if that's why I have like no options open. The only options I have are safe position. That's why I didn't enter JD. It looks really good, but only thing I have is BFT because they're super exciting right now. They have lots of hype around them with the merger coming up, and they're till the 16th of April. And then I have TTI, which is, you know, not super affected by the market like the indexes. That's why I played what I played. I have like nothing else. I did a quick snow call yesterday. Piton going back down. Yeah, that's why I'm not trading nothing right now. It's just, it would have been a quick trade in and out anyways. You're just playing the volatility. CTRM sucks right now. Dude, I'm telling you guys, the market sucks right now. What are you talking about? You know what I mean? My friend is sending me all these pictures of YouTubers. He goes, bro, they running out of time, bro. AMC a dead cat. These YouTubers are dead cats. It's kind of such a troll. Oh. This is, man, this super slow day. Honestly, I might get off stream pretty soon and just work on some videos. But just so you guys know, stocks I'm most excited about, I feel like I keep saying them. If you want to day trade stuff, I think Fang, I think Zom are going to be performing very well. Fang double bottom, that is beautiful right there. You want to watch for a double top. You want to hold this like, I don't know where you want. Either one of these is fine. But what I'm looking for is an XOLE. You want to break. That's what we want here. Zom might be the safer play. So if I'm looking at Zom, I want to get a retest, and that's where my entries would be down here. So I'll be waiting until like midday maybe. I want to see how the dollar moves, but either way, I'm most likely going to be dumping money into oil. I feel very good about oil. The market, I mean, we could be double top. It's hard to say. You can't even guess with the dollar anymore. But the market looks decent. So only call options I'm currently in are BFT and TTI for April 16th. But I'm looking at oil. You know, lots of consideration going into oil right now. Lots of. These are calls. Sweeps for how long? A while. Fang. Fang has a lot. I know Fang. Not today, but they have a lot. And Fang was doing well first. The market was doing crap. So we'll see. We'll see. That's what I'm really looking at. And then the ones that I'm excited about, and I'm probably buying shares. I might trade options on them. I don't really know yet. I'm considering, you know, the risk reward at this point. I think MP is maybe one of the safest plays that there is right now for me personally. It's similar to how we traded skills really quick. Maybe we dropped down to 32. I don't know. So I might just buy stock. But buying stock at 34, I'm still, I could care less what happens here. What am I looking at for a sell price on options? I personally believe we pushed to new highs. I see that as the case. Now, does the market agree with me? I don't know. But we'll see. I'll have to see how the volatility plays out and stuff like that. I'm probably not going to be greedy, though. I don't know. I have to keep watching. I think it keeps going from these levels, though. BFT popping. Yeah, it's doing really well. So pins. All tech doesn't look good, man. Tech is all scary right now. That's why if I have options and stuff I really like. Pins is pinching though. I mean, it is pinching a little bit. So this looks bullish if the market can start perking back up. But I'm not betting on the market perking up. I want to bet on stocks I like and then have room to run even if the market doesn't move in a certain direction. So I know it wasn't a super long live today. I got to work on videos though. Like I've been really, I don't like just uploading an AMC video every day. I like, you know, getting stocks I really like out there, stuff that's actually going to help people make money potentially. I mean, I'm transparent with I do have AMC positions. I like it, but like, it's just like, you know, people need to be educated on other stuff too. And there's actual, like, you know, high value plays out there. They're like BFT, you know what I mean? I've been hyping these guys up forever, and I think they're going to break now. So the merger finally here, so we'll see. But that's going to wrap it up, guys. I'll be back. I might be back for. I'll probably be like back for the close at 2, 3. I don't know. I have a midterm later, or no, I have just a test later tonight. But live streams are better than videos. Well, spoiler alert: the live streams don't pay me. So, which I'm fine with. I'm totally fine with. That's not the point. But I have to kind of delegate my time, and then I spend a lot of time with people in the Discord. So I'll be back, guys, probably around the day, and change the title to Stocks Live then. I'll be live around, last power hour, most likely. 9.4 is what I'm looking for on AMC to hold. I want to see it, but if this is bad though. So if GME trades sideways and doesn't dip to 133, that's terrible. That's terrible because AMC probably breaks 9.4. So you want to see them move together down. Just what I'm saying. All right, have a good one, boys. Namaste, namaste.